Welcome to Parker Brent, where careers in building and construction starts. The Certificate 4 in Building and Construction offers a valuable foundation of knowledge that can lead to numerous opportunities. If you're considering enrolling in our program, here are 4 helpful tips to help you get started on your path to success. Are you considering the Building and Construction Certificate program, but unsure if it's a good fit for you? Ask yourself, do you have an interest in and passion for the industry, adequate literacy and numeracy skills, and are comfortable with online learning? Lack of experience should not deter you from pursuing this exciting career opportunity. Additional eligibility requirements for accessing funded places will be assessed upon application, with guidance provided by our enrollment staff. Before enrolling in our Certificate 4 in Building and Construction program, take a moment to reflect on your motivations for pursuing this path. Understanding your reasons will enhance your experience and position you for long-term success in the industry. Our students typically enroll for the following reasons: to become a builder, to construct their own home, to change careers, to pursue a promotion, or to start a property development or renovation business. If you share these goals, we're committed to providing support and guidance every step of the way. Embarking on a new journey can be exciting, and having a strong support system in place can be immensely helpful. At Parker Brent, our dedicated team is committed to ensuring your success in the building and construction industry. We understand that endeavors such as making a career change, becoming a builder, or starting a construction business require hard work and commitment. By working closely with you, we can help you acquire the necessary knowledge and skills to succeed. To make the most of your enrollment process, take the time to invest in yourself and clearly state your goals. This will help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards making your dreams a reality. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any doubts. We're here to answer your questions. As you progress through the program, you'll have access to an exceptional network of individuals and valuable resources to help you work towards your goals, including news and updates, top-tier software such as wonderbuild.com, and other resources that will give you a competitive edge in the industry. At Parker Brent, we are committed to helping you achieve your goals in the building and construction field. Goal clarity and focus are critical components of success. To achieve your objectives, it's essential to have a clear understanding of what you want to accomplish and work towards with determination. For example, if your goal is to become a builder within the next 3 years, you must obtain a diploma of building and construction, gain practical experience in the industry, and familiarise yourself with the requirements of the Victorian Building Authority or similar bodies in other states and territories. With your commitment and determination, coupled with the Parker Brent team's dedication to assist you, you can surely share your success story in the future. For further inspiration, browse our YouTube channel to watch exclusive interviews with our students and alumni. You can also read testimonials on how Parker Brent has helped students achieve their goals in the building and construction industry across our social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. For further assistance, contact Parker Brent at 1300 773 737 or email us at info@parkerbrent.com.au.